Hello, in this video we'll see Fidel Ye. Let's read here on the right. Let's start. Ye, you, ye, ya, ye, ye, yo. Okay, let's write it together. So let me write ye, 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 and ye here. Now I will add some features like line and round to get trailing alphabets for ye. So to make this is ye. I want to make this u. Just make a line here. Ye is the same except the line has this kind of shape. Ya, add this line to the left. Ye is like u, but make it round here. Ye is like adding this kind of twisted line, and yo is just add this line here at the top. U is here, but yo is at the top here. Perfect. So yeah, I want you to practice this one. Once you practice, you will be able to comfortably be able to write it. Yeah, you, ye, yeah, 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 yo. Okay. So this is yeah. You, ye, yeah, yeah, yeah. And lastly, yo. Okay. So if we read here, this is ye. This is ya. Okay. Yeah. 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 And this is yo. This is yeah. You. Ye. Yeah. 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 This is yo. This one here. Right. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video.